I wanted to come on here and show some outfits that I would wear to concerts and stuff since outside is open and Meg dropped an album, Beyonce dropped an album, Drake dropped an album. This outfit is something that I had in my closet. It was a pants. I cut it into shorts and I made the bottom portions that I cut off the shorts into a top. And this is giving very much I'm going to Kanye's concert, and I kind of want to look put together, but I kind of want to look homeless also. So that was the look that I was going for, and this is definitely something I would wear to a Kanye West concert. Skirt, the skirts are in, and if you have thick thighs and can't really wear mini skirts, I feel like a skirt would be perfect for you. It gives the same look as a skirt, but it's actually shorts. And this is from Walmart. I got it for $7.49, I think, and the top is also from Walmart, which is for $3.49. The bag is Teflon and the shoes are from Ego Official, and this is definitely an outfit I would wear to Lizzo or like Kehlani's concert. Shein. The top is from Shein, the pants are from Shein. I have on some Herm sandal, and I love this outfit. This is an outfit that I'll probably wear to like a Drake or Chris Brown concert. Cute, comfortable, and stylish.
Hey, Ted, when you gonna stop playing? That chick, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the hand.
So this is another fit. I would definitely wear this to like Kid Cudi, ASAP Rocky, Kylie Jenner's man, whatever his name is, concert. Um, so the top is from Shein, the shorts are from Target, the shoes are from Steve Madden, bag is from Shein, and the glasses are from Fashion Nova. I wore this outfit already with black shorts, and I honestly think I prefer it with the black shorts because the bottom portion of this top has a specific detail that I feel like needs to be shown, but it looks good nonetheless. And variety is the spice of life, so you can switch it up. So this is definitely something I would wear to like a Spice concert or like a Shensia concert, even to Jada Kingdom concert. And I feel like this is cute, comfortable, and I'm still stylish. Outfit is the jumpsuit is from Fashion Nova, the bag is from Shein, and the slippers are Hermes. So this outfit is for the girl that it's her birthday and she's going to show out at one of these concerts. So this is something I would wear to Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, or Meg The Stallion's concert because it's my birthday. I want to show up and show out and be that girl. So the bodysuit is from Shop Sonia B's. The shorts, not the shorts, the pants are from Fashion Nova. Shoes are from Public Desire. Bag YSL, glasses, Fashion Nova. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me which artist would you pair with what outfit. One, two, three, four, five, six. Which artist and which outfit do you think goes perfectly together in the comment section? And I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoy. Miss Baby. Yeah. Be my